The forest floor has a secret. It remembers every chain that scars it, but Green Track rewrites that memory with silence and strength. By slashing ground pressure 30 to 50% compared to brutal chains, these tracks let heavy machines glide without tearing the earth apart. Stones vanish under their grip, tires last 60% longer, and suddenly raw power feels like harmony with nature. And the very first shockwave of invention lands with a price of $3,500. Every truck bed hides chaos until Decked turns it into order, sliding out full-length drawers that keep tools secure and dry. Built in America from high-density polyethylene over steel, the system supports 2,000 pounds on its deck, while each drawer carries 200 pounds. Weatherproof seals and modular accessories transform the bed into a mobile workshop without sacrificing hauling capacity. Precision organization meets rugged strength at $1,600. City streets shrink when wheels swing wider, and ZF's easy turn suspension lets front axles rotate up to 80 degrees. Based on a McPherson strut design with added links, it doubles maneuverability, making U-turns and tight parking effortless. Intelligent actuators and software guide the motion, reducing steering effort while enhancing agility. This concept has no retail price, a vision of engineering rather than a figure. Sunlight becomes motion with Sono Motors' solar technology, embedding panels directly onto vehicle surfaces. These modules add up to 152 miles of extra range to electric cars and can retrofit buses or refrigerated trucks. Backed by European Union funding and adopted by companies like Scania, they mark a milestone in sustainable transport. The innovation carries a starting cost of $25,000 when integrated into the Scion EV. Impact bends but does not break when SmartBar's polymer bull bar absorbs force and springs back into shape. Designed in Australia, it flexes up to 85% of its width, reducing pedestrian injury risk while protecting vehicles. Non-corrosive, airbag-compatible, and lighter than steel, it preserves ANCAP safety ratings while cutting fuel use. Strength with compassion is offered at a price on application, not a fixed dollar tag. Adventure demands a place for oversized tires, and DV8's carrier shifts the load from fragile hinges to a reinforced frame. Adjustable for widths between 7 and 14 inches, it features side mole panels for attaching recovery gear. Fully bolt-on, it retains the factory brake light and installs without drilling, built from alloy steel with a powder-coated finish. The certainty of fit and resilience is marked at $699. Eyes stay forward while data floats ahead, projected in crisp clarity by Carry AI's wireless HUD. Navigation, speed, and alerts beam onto the windshield, visible in bright sunlight or night drives. Compatible with Android and iPhone, it runs 2 weeks on a single charge and connects seamlessly. Safety and convenience converge at $259. Winter mornings lose their bite when heat melts frost through a 12-volt powered scraper. A long cord and built-in LED light make clearing windshields simple even in darkness. Lightweight yet effective, it combines squeegee and scraper functions for reliable cold weather use. The relief of effortless ice removal is priced at $69. Dead batteries revive in seconds with the Milwaukee M18 Hotshot, a professional-grade jump-starter. Designed for 12-volt car and truck systems, it delivers dependable all-weather performance with rapid capacitor technology. Built for trade and fleet use, it eliminates long charge times and unreliable clamps. Dependable ignition power arrives at $399. Heavy loads no longer demand strained climbs when a foldable ladder mounts directly to the tailgate. Adjustable between 28 and 45 inches, it installs on either side without consuming bed space. Aluminum steps with grip plates and rubber feet keep every climb secure. Practical reach for working truck starts at $61. Jeep tail lights gain armor in cast aluminum guards that enclose them with a patented two-piece design. Stainless steel hardware resists rust, and installation requires no drilling, keeping factory systems intact. Compatible with Wrangler JL models, they preserve styling while shielding against trail damage. Protection with precision is offered at $167. Vehicles locked by brakes or malfunction glide again when Car Mover XL lifts them clear of the ground. Designed for service stations and warehouses, it handles cars up to 2.5 tons with a 3-meter wheelbase. Electric operation raises vehicles 10 centimeters, allowing smooth relocation without towing. Silent strength for moving even an Audi Q7 comes at a price available only on request. Darkness bends to your command when ARB's Intensity IQ Headlights unleash 4 distinct beam patterns. Super Spot, Spot, Flood, and Mid-range optics combine to create thousands of possible light configurations. A bezel-less design with CNC machined details delivers modern styling while pushing illumination past 600 meters. Precision, durability, and limitless control converge at $1,995. Strength takes shape in the iconic X1, a one-piece drop-in cap forged from marine-grade aluminum. Weather-resistant seals, stainless hardware, and lockable whale-tail handles turn any pickup into a secure fortress. With 3 to 8 door configurations and aerodynamic design, it balances rugged utility with fuel efficiency. This hybrid of cap and service body begins at $9,973. Rearview mirrors just reflect. This one remembers, records, and responds. With dual 1080p cameras and a 10-inch touchscreen, it captures every lane, every license plate. WDR night vision sees through darkness, and for just $99, adventure feels limitless when the HQ12 rolls out, a 19-foot trailer engineered for remote terrain. Its independent suspension with quad shocks distributes loads evenly, while a steel frame and aluminum body keep strength uncompromised. Inside, a queen bed, bunks, and convertible seating sleep up to 4, with 64 gallons of freshwater capacity for long stays. This balance of durability and comfort carries an official MSRP of $43,899.